How much time and attention do you put into your news copy? Yeah, that's what I thought. It's not the highest priority, but those clunky, written-for-print news stories affect how listeners hear your station. Still, who has time to rewrite the news? Our AI bots gather the most relevant stories and rewrite them with flair and personality in a conversational style. It's a complete, updated newscast gathered, curated, and ready to perform. The entire newscast is easy to read as is, but if you want to fine-tune it to match your voice, copy, edit, and perform. Headlines of the day will save you a lot of time, and that's something we all need more of. The headlines of the day are in the navigation menu on your dashboard. It's like having a news copywriter dedicated to making each information segment the best it can be.